What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We are getting ready for Chase the Greats giveaway. It is a Johnny Bower autographed jersey. I said at the start of the series that if anybody purchased a personal box of Chase the Greats yourself, then you'd be entered into the list as an entry. So here's the people who've done it. 25 people, in 25 spots in total, more than one duplicate. We are going to go ahead and do the list right now. It is 1:30 in Newfoundland, and here's your list. We got 25 names on it. Jonathan to Adam, guys. Good luck. 4 randoms. Top name taking home Bower. Appreciate the support, folks. 1, 2, 3. There's a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 1:30. 1:30 it is. Last and final. Top name takes it home, folks. Best of luck. Here we go. There you have it. Justin Miller, man. Found a little bit of luck for you. You're taking home the Johnny Bower autographed jersey. Here's your 4th and final timestamp on that. Fourth and final timestamp says 1:31. And 1:31 it is. So congratulations again. There's 25 names. Justin on top after 4. Appreciate it, folks. We'll see you on the next round of Chase the Greats Jersey Edition.